Alright, now let's talk about the features of the new Nokia Essential Blue Wireless Earphones e3200. I actually received this last month, and it is actually my first time to use a Bluetooth type of earphones or earbuds because I'm so used to using a wired earphones for travel. So I love that it has a very minimalist design. It has muted pink color, but still minimalist and very feminine. The earbuds are actually very light and easy to wear. I mean, you can wear it for long hours and it won't hurt your ears. That's the common problem with most of the earphones or in-ear earbuds. But for this, I have a very good experience. So to connect this to your phone or laptop, you just need to click on the button and it will automatically connect via Bluetooth. Alright, so it says in the box that it has up to 17 hours of playtime. So basically, if you will be charging this initial charge, it would last you 5 hours, and then the actual casing would give you additional 12 hours. So it's very perfect for your travel. I know we're not traveling at this point, but it's good to know that we can use this for travel. Especially, it's very light and compact. You can put this in your sling bag, backpack, and it's very secured. So to charge your Nokia e3200, you just simply plug the cable, and yes, you can plug it in your laptop or power bank or connect an adapter. So it's very easy and very convenient. Alright, so let's talk about the unique features of the new Nokia e3200. So the earbuds have touch control features, so meaning you can touch or tap it to send different functions. So for both buds, you can tap it once to pause the music and tap it again to continue playing. For the right buds, you can tap it to skip a track, while for the left one, you can tap it to activate the ambient mode. So for the ambient mode, it allows you to hear the music or sound or noises around you. So I think that's very helpful if you're traveling and waiting for your flight and you want to hear announcements. So for the material, the Nokia e3200 actually has the highest certification for weatherproof material. So it's IPX5 weatherproof. So meaning the earbuds are actually sweat-proof and weatherproof. So you can safely use this for working out or again if you're traveling. For its price, I think the Nokia Essential Blue Wireless Earphones e3200 provides a really decent sound with useful ambient mode and longer playtime. So yes, I have a very nice experience using the new Nokia e3200. I hope you enjoyed this video and you find this helpful. Please do subscribe and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!